you think about creating metal elements in your space at home? Think about it as putting on your party dress. It's about adding that layer of confidence and style and glamour. It makes you feel good. It makes your space look great. It's not just for the young, hip urbanite. Don't feel that you can't use this. This is accent trending. It's brilliant for being able to be popped into any different style. It's not age or stage limited. Think about the fact that you could possibly look at bringing in a bunch of silver picture frames or reframe some old art that you might have. Look at how you can use it in accent pieces, candlesticks, bowls, planters. All of those things add a reflective quality from the metal elements that are being used on them. Now for me, I love the idea of hard flooring with metal. There's just this fantastic play of strength. This is actually a laminate. It's got all the properties of a natural timber floor, but it's actually man-made. This is easy to maintain and it's hard-wearing and durable. And best of all, you can wear these without damaging your floor.